everyone, welcome back. I'm Linette with the Laurel County Public Library, and today we're going to make something that uses all of those fresh vegetables from the beginning of summer. Hopefully it will be delicious and you'll love it. So before we get started, let's look at a couple of cookbooks. Recently I did a little event for one of my friends. His fiance had a birthday party, and so we were looking at some different appetizers, and in doing that I really got to looking at how many of these appetizers involve fresh garden vegetables, and I thought, hey, why not point that out? So I didn't mean for both of these to be Taste of Home cookbooks, but they are. But they're both appetizer centered, and I wanted to show you one here that I made. Take off my, it was a little kebab, had salami, pepperoni, let me think here, tortellini, and then some olives. It was delicious. This one right here, I'm sure some of you already do this, the cream cheese filled strawberries. If you've not been out to our local farmer's market to get you some strawberries, you need to. This makes delicious little appetizers, and the taste of the strawberries this time of year is just over the top. This I wanted to share because I thought, man, with the kids being home from school now, this might just be something that you would want to try. It's a chicken French bread pizza. So you could use cooked chicken, you could use canned chicken, you could use a rotisserie chicken, fresh vegetables on there. That would be a quick and easy supper on a busy mom's work day. So go out to the library, get you a cookbook, go to the farmer's market, get you some fresh veggies. So what are we making today? Well, I made a pan of cornbread last night, and that got me to thinking about cornbread salad. I had not made a cornbread salad in quite some time, and I thought, well, we got fresh veggies, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna start with a cup of sour cream. We're basically making a ranch dressing, so if you wanna take a shortcut and use ranch dressing, do it, no problem there. But we're making a little bit thicker version. Instead of using the milk and mayonnaise, we're using sour cream because, you know, good calories. All right, so there's a cup of sour cream, and we're going to take a cup of mayonnaise. And I'm actually using the mayonnaise that has the olive oil base in it because I just think it is extra good. So that's what we're going to be using tonight. You use whatever you like. There's just something about cornbread. I love the smell of cornbread. Cornbread's the first thing I ever was allowed to make. I think I shared that with you all before, but I think I irritated my mom so much wanting to do something that finally she said, here, make the cornbread. And I fell in love with mixing and cooking and all that good stuff. All right, so there's a cup of the mayonnaise. And then we're going to take a package of the ranch dressing mix. I'm just going to mix that up. Now this salad is one of those salads that can be good the next day according to what you put in it. Some people I've seen put cucumbers in it, and I'm not opposed to that because I love a good cucumber. But I would probably do that if I thought that the majority of that salad was going to be eaten at the time that I fixed it. If you're planning on using it for leftovers, cucumbers cannot be the best. Okay, so I'm gonna put a can of rinsed pinto beans. Those are straight from the can, so quick and easy there. Now, if you wanted to do a variation on this, maybe go a little more Tex-Mex, you wanna use black beans and some things like that, that would be great too, not a problem. Okay, so I'm gonna use some tomatoes, and these are the cherry tomatoes, just cut up. A red pepper that I've diced, and if you want to use yellow, orange, green, whatever floats your boat. Then some green onions. And again, put whatever your family likes. There's no right or wrong reason to this at all. I sliced a few pieces of bacon. Cooked them, I didn't slice them. There was more Brody ate a couple, Hadley grabbed one, so it started out with more bacon. Okay, now for the corn. Now the corn, I did just boil it. It would be better if I had grilled it, but I didn't do that today, so this will be fine. If you have canned corn or even frozen corn, those will work, okay? But the fresh corn, it's over the top. I do wish I'd grilled it, but kind of break this up a little bit. Corn adds that crunch and that extra little bit of sweetness to it. So good. Like I say, just whatever your family likes, throw it in there. If your family likes cornbread, have you ever made cornbread croutons? We might do that next time. We might make us a salad and use cornbread croutons. But if you'll take your cornbread and just put it in a sheet pan and bake it, and then cut it in little cubes, and then, you know, butter it, oil it, season it, toast it again, you've got cornbread croutons. And that's good on a salad. Lena, don't let me forget that. We might do that next time. Because I'll forget. It's a good time of year to make a salad. All the good freshness. Okay, so there's our corn. And I'm being kind of messy, but that's all right. Now comes the cornbread. You can't have cornbread without a cast iron skillet, can you? And then you're just gonna crumble it up. And I'm not gonna get it real crumbly. I'm just gonna kind of break it into some pieces there. I love good cornbread. Now, if you want it to be, I'm just gonna mix mine together. But if you wanted to, you could take this and do it like a layered salad. Do a layer of the cornbread, a layer of the tomatoes, a layer of the onions, and that would be really, really pretty. Put it like in a trifle dish or something like that. This will travel well to those barbecues that now we're hopefully gonna get to have this summer. I hope everybody gets out and enjoys their family, because last year was kind of a dud. So let's have some fun this year. Okay, now this looks messy, does it not? But people, I'm telling you, that's good eating right there. This is like taking, you know how one of the favorite summertime meals is fresh cucumbers, fresh tomatoes, fresh corn, cornbread. It's putting it all together in one bowl. So you get to eat it all at once. Can't beat it. All right. So, oh, the cheese. Thanks, Elena. I'm about to forget it. We're just gonna put a cup of cheddar cheese in there. Okay, I'm just may just leave that on top of it. Let it be like that. All right, my darlings. That is cornbread salad. Quick, easy. You can make stuff ahead. If you make your cornbread the day before, you can save it, put it in your salad. You can make your bacon maybe the morning of or whenever, as long as it stays good. So it really does go together very quickly. So give it a try. Go out to the library, get yourself a cookbook, try a new salad this summer. Okay? We'll see you next time.